Have you ever thought about how much it really costs to say goodbye? The truth might shock you, and funeral costs in Kenya keep rising. From mortuary fees to transport, many families are completely unprepared. Funerals are part of life, but the price tag hits immediately. Imagine needing to organize everything in just a few days. Mortuary, transport, tents, catering, contributions often fall short.
Today, we're breaking down the real cost of funerals in Kenya and how last expense cover can save you.
Let's start with the mortuary. Storing a body costs between 10,000 and 30,000 shillings per day. Embalming adds another 5 to 20,000, depending on the facility. Transport is another major expense, especially for cross-county funerals. Hiring a hearse or arranging vehicles can cost anywhere from 5,000 to 50,000. Tents and chairs can cost 15 to 50,000 shillings. Catering may range from 10,000 to 100,000 depending on the number of people. Even small details, flowers, coffin choices, symbolic items add up quickly. A standard coffin alone can cost between 20,000 and over 100,000 shillings. Many families rely on contributions from relatives, but these often fall short. So how do families manage without falling into debt? That's where last expense cover comes in. It ensures your family gets financial support fast, covering mortuary, transport, and ceremony costs. But there's a catch. The payout speed depends on proper preparation.
All documents must be correct. Death notification certificate, ID, and beneficiaries clearly listed.
Without planning, delays can turn a difficult time into a financial nightmare. Waiting for contributions or raising money last minute adds pressure on top of grief. And even then, incomplete funds may force families to compromise or delay the burial. The reality is simple. Funerals in Kenya are expensive. Mortuary, transport, and ceremonies can easily cost hundreds of thousands of shillings. Preparation is key. Whether it's saving early, planning ahead, or getting last expense cover, it makes all the difference. Start planning today. Get a free last expense quote and make sure your family is protected. Because saying goodbye should be about love, not financial stress.
Contact or visit us using the details provided on the screen. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel.